I know that each day is going to be better than the day before. So we're going to keep that hope, we're going to live on that hope, and we're going to work together to serve our communities. That's what this will take. I know each and every one of you are strong.
It's going to be a long road to recovery after Hurricane Sally brought devastation to our portion of the Gulf Coast. Thousands still without power tonight and dozens of homes destroyed. First responders are out clearing debris and working to turn the lights back on. All this while the community rallies together to make sure our neighbors don't go this alone in this tough time. And breaking tonight, help is on the way from Washington. President Trump approving Alabama's request for a major disaster declaration, meaning federal money is available to help us rebuild. The announcement made this afternoon as FEMA's leaders came down to the coast to look at all the damage.
Being able to have this federal help it's the difference between bankrupting our county and our municipalities.
Day by day, as Baldwin County gets closer to normal, tonight help from Washington for people hit hardest by Hurricane Sally as President Trump approves a major disaster declaration.
This declaration is a big deal, and it came in truly record-breaking time. So now individuals who need assistance should go first online and register with FEMA.
This means federal dollars to help pay for cleanup and to help you if your home or vehicle was damaged or destroyed, if you had to pay for a hotel or need temporary housing, among other things. Across the county, there's still a lot of work to be done, but leaders say this is a huge step.
It's a lot of work. Living here on the coast my whole life, I remember I was 12 years old when Frederick hit, but this vegetative damage reminds me of Frederick. And it's just, please be patient. Everyone has been affected by this in some way or another, some people more than others.
Now, if you need assistance, here are your options from FEMA. Now, you have to understand you have to apply and be approved. Now, you can call 1-800-621-3362 or register online at disasterassistance.gov. FEMA also has an app available for smartphones. You can use any of those options to begin that process of trying to get some help from the federal government.